Taking effective notes is an essential skill for any student. It not only helps you to retain information better, but also enables you to review and revise the material more effectively. Stay organized. Keep all your notes in one place, such as a notebook or a digital folder. This will make it easier to find them when you need to review the material. Pay attention to key points. Focus on the main ideas and important details rather than writing down everything the teacher says. Look for cues like important, key, remember, etc. Use abbreviations and symbols. Develop your own shorthand or use command symbols like arrows, asterisks, etc. to save time and space. Make your notes visual. Use diagrams, mind maps, or flowchart to represent complex ideas or relationships between concepts. Review and revise. After class, review your notes and fill in any gaps or clarify any unclear points. Summarize the material in your own words and use mnemonics or memory aids to help you remember it. Collaborate with classmates. Compare notes with your classmates to fill in any gaps and get different perspectives on the material. Stay engaged. Listen actively and participate in class discussions to stay engaged and focus on the material. This will help you understand the material better and take more effective notes. Remember that note-taking is a personal process, and what works for one person may not work for another. Experiment with different techniques and find the ones that work best for you.